Welcome to the second part of Last Speech of God Said in Court. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. So I decided to educate young Hindus about our ideology and objectives, and ask them to join us. Since 1920, April Manyadiluk, Gandhiji's influence was gaining more strength in the Congress. The work he did to make the public aware about independence movement had a great impact. He kept raising slogans in nonviolence. Even a sensible person could not call those slogans bad, inappropriate or impractical. Actually, there was nothing new in these proclamations in every peaceful movement. Such proclamations are made. It is only a dream to hope that common people will follow such high morality principles in ordinary life. The truth is that in order to follow our dreams and to protect our honor and to do something for our people or country, we have to leave nonviolence and move on to violence. I myself was always against violence, but nonviolence is not that practical in this world. I firmly believe that to counter a tyrannical we have to pick up our weapons. Self-defending ourselves is our dharma, our moral duty. Sri Ram killed Ravan to free Sita. Sri Krishna killed guns to end his atrocities. Arjun in the Mahabharata also had to kill many people, in which many were his relatives. Even the venerable Bhishma Pitama had to be killed because they were favoring the oppressor. If Ram, Krishna, and Arjuna are considered violent by anybody, then he can't be seen as knower of the principles of humanity. No working knowledge. It was the tree of Chhatrapati Shivaji that prevented the tyranny of Yaman in India. The way Shivaji killed Afzal Khan was the exact way, otherwise he would have killed Shivaji. Gandhiji condemned Shivaji, Maharana Pratap, and Guru Govind Singh and called them a persons walking on the wrong path and thus giving proof of him intellectual bankruptcy. Gandhi came to the country in 1914 and entered the political life of the country at the same time. Unfortunately, Sir Firoz Shah Mehta, Sri Gopal Krishna and Gokhale, whom Gandhiji called his guru, passed away soon. Gandhiji started his work by opening an ashram on the banks of the Sabarmati River in Ahmedabad, where he preached truth and non-violence. He himself admitted that he had many times worked against his principles to please the Muslims. Wheresoever Gandhiji wanted to please Muslims, he always used to neglect his own principles. One of the example of it is the Malabar massacre of Hindus. Truth and non-violence are very good principles, but only if it is practiced by all. Gandhiji also banned the creation of Shivaji's Jay literature and history so that it should not read among the people. Shiva Bhavani has sung the heroic story of Shivaji Maharaj. It describes how he protected the Hindu nation. There is a coup in Shiva Bhavani that if Shivaji was not there, the whole country would have become Muslim. The Muslim League refused to join the Central Temporary Cabinet, which Lord Webble had invited Nehru to make it. Not only this, the Muslim League formed a council to take action against Nehru till 2 weeks before the creation of the Nehru Cabinet. On August 15, 1946, there was a widespread massacre of Hindus in Kolkata which lasted for 3 days without any interruption by the government. Many of terrible events was published by the famous English Daily Statesman at that time. It was thought that a government in which tenure so many atrocities have done should be thrown out of the power. The government had belonged to Muslim League Suhrawardi, but the communist governor refused to take over the government and take control of the state, i.e. Bengal. Gandhi went Kolkata and established friendship with the root of these atrocities, Suhrawardi. When Gandhiji fasted in jail in 1943, no person was allowed to meet him for political talks. Only his close relatives used to meet him to know about his health. Rajagopalachari met him and advised him of the plan to build Pakistan. Gandhiji ordered him to talk to Jinnah in this matter. Then in 1944, Gandhiji kept talking to give Jinnah 3 weeks. He, Jinnah, put forward a plan similar to the present-day Pakistan. Gandhiji every day used to go to Jinnah's house and praise him, but Jinnah did not move even an inch from his demand for Pakistan. Gandhiji wanted Hindu-Muslim unity, but everything was happening to the contrary. Cabinet Mission Plan. In early 1946, the Cabinet Mission came to India, in which it was Mr. Lawrence Alexander, the Minister of India of England. Prime Minister Mr. Attlee gave a speech in Parliament about his, Lawrence, visit to India and said that the English government wants to hand over the reins of India to India, but for this it is necessary that all Indians should reach a decision. The declared task PF the mission was to get a treaty in words, but whatever the mission did was very harmful for India. Congress wanted a organized and united India, but the Congress was not confident of its goal and its demand, and Jinnah, who wanted a divided India, was adamant on his demand. There seemed to be a lot difficulty in these problems, so the Messiah spoke to everyone and announced the decision on May 15, 1946. The mission proposed a organized, united India plan, but with filled its manifestation with Pakistan's ideology. Some of the clause are in such recruitment in which united India is not going to be a united one for long. It's like scheduling creation of Pakistan for future. For example, even if it was made up of elected persons, legislative council could not be made a law of complete independence. Congress, after the failure of Quit India movement, was so disappointed that it was ready to accept any such scheme in which there is a spill of nationality. So by accepting this plan, the Congress accepted Pakistan, but due to lack of word, but was satisfied because the plan do not consist the word Pakistan in it. The Congress do not wanted to form the central government, but in the end had to form it unconditionally. Jinnah started denouncing the British as unjust, and the Muslim League started taking direct action. In East Bengal, Punjab, Mumbai and everywhere else, Muslims started looting and killing Hindus, such bloodshed that nowhere in history is their example seen. Mostly the losses of Hindus only. To stop the bloodshed, the Congress was again in the shelter of Jinnah. The following year, Congress surrendered to Jinnah. Pakistan was accepted. Pakistan was accepted on the bodies of millions of Hindus. It is assumed that everything that happened after that is well known. Gandhiji continued to take the side of Muslims who looted millions of Hindus. This Mahatma did not even say a word for them. Gandhi used to call himself a servant of humanity, but his humanity was seen only in Muslims. Hindus did not come in the field of this humanity. I was shocked to see this strange sage trend. Gandhiji and cow slaughter. Gandhiji used to show great desire for cow protection, but in fact he did nothing for this subject. In one of his speeches he accepted that he had completely failed to do anything regarding this subject. He even said that it's completely useless to send him postcards requesting to stop cow slaughter. He can't do anything. Gandhiji is called father of the nation, which is a post of utmost respect, but he failed to act as the father. But he mercilessly split the nation. If he had opposed Pakistan with true soul, the League would never have been able to demand it so strongly, and the British would have not created Pakistan. The people of the country were against making Pakistan at least 75%, but Gandhiji cheated the public and proved to be father of Pakistan.